Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah Ta'ala says to the angel of death, "Go to my enemy, so-and-so, and bring forth his soul. I gave him plenty of everything and showered my bounties on him from all sides, but he did not stop disobeying me. Let me punish him today." So the angel of death comes to him in the most horrible form, with 12 eyes and carrying a sledgehammer made from the fire of Jahannam, all covered with sharp-pointed thorns. He has 500 angels with him. They bring with them a big copper blade, and each one of them is carrying big live coals and fiery whips made from the fire of Jahannam, all blazing hot. As soon as the angel of death reaches there, he strikes the man with the sledgehammer, the thorns whereof pierce and penetrate to every vein and every joint of his body. He then pulls out the hammer with full force. All the other angels begin to strike him with the whips, on his face and on the hips. They go on whipping him till he swoons. After that, they drag forth his soul from his toes and bring it to his heels, all the time whipping and beating him. They pause for a while, and then pull it to his knees, and from there, after another pause, bring it up to his stomach. They drew it out little by little, to keep him in the agony of death for a longer time. From the stomach, they drag it up to the chest. Then they put the copper blade and the burning coals under his chin. The angel of death says to him, "Come out, cursed soul, and go to Jahannam." As mentioned in Surah Waqiyah, in boiling hot winds and boiling water and thick layers of black smoke, which are neither cool nor refreshing, but extremely painful. And when the soul leaves, it says to the body, "May Allah punish you with the worst retribution. You always hastened to transgress the commandments of Allah Ta'ala and were always slow to perform acts of devotion. You have ruined yourself and also caused my ruin." The body also speaks the same words to the soul. Those parts of the earth where he used to commit sins against Allah Ta'ala, curse him. The legions of Shaitan's disciples come running to him and say, "Good news, our master, for we have sent a soul to Jahannam." When his dead body is laid in the grave, the earth closes in on him so that his ribs are crushed together and penetrate into one another. Then black dragons start biting and stinging him, some of them beginning with his nose and going down to his waist, others beginning with his big toe and coming up to his waist, till they all meet in the middle of the body. The 2 angels, called Munkar and Nakir, come to him and ask, "Who is your Lord? What is your religion? Who is your Nabi?" But to each question that they ask, he replies, Ah, I do not know." And each time he says so, they beat him with the hammer so violently that the grave is filled with sparks flying from the hammer, all scattered about. Then the angels command him to look up. He does so, and sees a door opening into Jannah, through which some of its beauty and luxuries are shown to him. They say to him, "O enemy of Allah, this could have been your abode if you had been obedient to your Lord." Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "By him who holds my soul in his hands, the dead man feels such deep remorse at this time as will never be felt by him again. Then a door is opened for him into Jahannam, and the angels say to him, 'O enemy of Allah, this is your adobe, because you have been disobedient to Allah.' After this, 77 gates are opened for him into Jahannam, through which the black smoke and boiling hot winds of Jahannam will continue to blow on him till the day of Qiyamah." May Allah enable us to understand these words, act upon them, and convey them to others. Ameen. Stay tuned, as I will return with another enlightening story soon. Don't forget to watch before you sleep. Jazak Allahu khairan.